you stumped trying to find a list price for your house based off of square footage? Well, this is probably why that process alone isn't really going to work. Because if you look at your neighborhood and you draw a mile circle around and pick a bunch of houses that look like yours and smell like yours, more than likely you're going to add up all the average cost per square foot and divide it by however many houses you added together to get the average, right? And you're going to take that number and multiply it by however many square foot you have. But that doesn't actually work, and here's why. Those closed prices, which you don't actually even have access to unless you're working with a realtor, are based off of the value of the land and the house. So you're not really comparing apples to apples because the lot sizes aren't necessarily all the same and they carry different values themselves. So what should you do? You actually have to use about 35% of that value. So say you did your little third grade math and you figured out that each house sold for about $100 a square foot. Well, if you're going to make your adjustments, you would only use $35 per square foot adjustment. So if a house is 1 square foot bigger than yours, then you would add $35 to your house. If you find a house that's 1 square foot smaller, then you would subtract $35 to the list price of your house.